final task is to produce an item of publicity that John can use at the national show. You'll need to make sure you use the graphics that you have downloaded, and that also it is appropriate. Now, what you create is up to you. An item of publicity could be a video, a website, a flyer, um, a information kiosk, which is kind of like a PowerPoint that uses hyperlinks at the kind of touch screen that you might see in malls and stuff. But it's up to you. My advice would be to create an A4 flyer. The reason I offer this advice is because you're given information that John wants to promote a new deal at the show. He's offering 10% off all paid subscriptions if a customer is willing to sign up to the newsletter. The customer will have to fill out a form with their name and email address on it. Now, if you make a flyer, you can make the form part of this publicity. Otherwise, if you create a video, you will need to create a form that gets filled out as well as creating the video. I'm going to show you just a couple more things in Fireworks for creating an A4 flyer. And then after that, it's up to you to create it. Remember, you must have a form so that people can fill out their name and address on it. It must be offering 10% off all paid subscriptions. Okay, so I would have information on there about the different types of paid subscription, how much they would be paying with the 10% off, information like that, and of course advertising my TV. So in Fireworks, let's just save my example advert. Okay, for an A4 flyer, create a new document, and you'll be interested to know that the width of an A4 document is 21 centimeters by 29. Because this is so large, I would change this resolution to, let's go 150. So this is the size of an A4 flyer. You'll notice at the moment the background is transparent, and to insert images that you've downloaded, simply go and find wherever they've been downloaded to. So because I'm on my Mac, I get to just neatly find them down here, but they'll be in your My Documents. Drag them from your My Documents on to your screen. Now they might not all be as nice as that. That one came up without a background. Okay, so I have my newsletter icon. Oh, all right. I'm just going to quickly download and use an image. Oh, newsletter icon. I didn't download that one correctly, so oh, this isn't going as quickly as I hoped. Right. Right, so you may get images that don't have transparent backgrounds. Unfortunately, all the ones I'm choosing at the moment do. Here we go. Okay, so here's an example of an image that doesn't have a transparent background. It's got a white box around it. Last thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to get rid of this really quickly. So this only really works if it's a white background. Okay, select over on the left hand side the magic wand tool, and then click on the white. You'll notice that it hasn't that it's gone over my actual envelope, so you can change what's called the tolerance. So as I change that, you'll notice it starts to pick up less of the image, and if I hit delete, although not a great example, you can see that it got rid of the white background. Another way of doing it is using the polygon tool to draw around the bit of the image you want to keep. And this is the bit of the image I want to keep. Pressing Control X to cut, and then double click, Control V to paste. So I've got my background that I can delete from it, and then the actual icon itself. Okay, so it's up to you to create the well, whatever it is you're creating. Make sure that there's an ability for people to sign up with a name and email address. It must advertise 10% off, must advertise my TV, and also it must use the images that you sourced from the first part of this task. Okay, off you go.